Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video, we're jumping into my BOXYCHARM premium box for the month of October. If you saw, my base box is already up, so you can go check that out right now. I will link it somewhere up above. But today we're jumping into the premium box. And just like in the base box video, I haven't done a giveaway on my channel in a while. So we're going to unbox this variation, talk through all the products, review, demo the works. And if you're interested in entering to win your very own full BOXYCHARM premium box, all you have to do is like this video, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what item are you most excited to get in your box, because I do have another premium box on its way to my house, and I would love to share that and give it away to one of you. I used to do this all the time, and I haven't in a while, so today we're doing it again. A full variation to one lucky subscriber. So if you want to see the variation, play with it with me, talk through the whole box, and potentially win a full box of your own, make sure to keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe, enter the giveaway, and let's jump right into the video. All right, so first things first, the theme card. This is BOXYCHARM Candy Shop, same vibe as the base box. This is going to be variation 19, and I did just want to touch on this because I've gotten requests about this in a while. People ask how this box is blue and how my base box is red. I flip my boxes inside out. So the inside of the box for me is now the outside of the box. So that is the secret. I just unfold it and refold it because when I have them lined up on my shelf when I'm trying to figure out what I'm filming, the blue box versus the red box versus the Boxy Luxe, which is the black box, it's just easier for me to know which one's which. All right, now that we got that out of the way, the first item out of the box is going to be from Murad. This is the Murad Hydrating Toner. The ultimate hydrating alcohol-free toner instantly balances the skin's natural pH while lifting impurities to enhance the benefits of treatments that follow. Sodium PCA helps to replenish lost moisture, while chamomile and cucumber extract soothes the skin. Retails for $35. I have used this before. The purple line from Murad, Revitalix Recovery Serum, Night Fix Enzyme Treatment, the AHA BHA Cleanser from the base box unboxing. You guys know I swear by this line. I am obsessed with Murad. It is an entire brand that I absolutely love. I would go out on a limb and say that it is my favorite skincare brand. I'm going to say there's not anything in the line I haven't tried, so I do already know I love this. I'm not going to pop it open because at all times I have about 50, I just dropped one, about 50 different mists open, so I'm trying to be a little bit better about finishing the ones I do have open. You guys know with skincare, I try not to open it until I'm ready for it, and mists, for some reason, I always just pop it open and try it. So I'm going to set this aside and try this at a later date because I already know I love it, but like, I'm not ready for it. The next item out of the box is from Go-To. These are the Exfoliating Swipies. Foolproof exfoliating pads for glowing skin. It is a 50-pack. These single-use exfoliating pads soaked in an all-natural solution get rid of dead skin cells and hydrate the skin. Well-documented effectiveness of lactic acid, the most gentle of AHAs, is combined with ultra-hydrating essential oils to create a face exfoliator that thoroughly removes dead skin, refines skin texture, minimizes the appearance of fine lines, and deeply moisturizes. Retails for $35. I am going to use this because I do love using an exfoliating pad type product whenever I am getting ready to do makeup. I just love the way it keeps everything glowing and smooth for whatever goes on next. I also don't like using my fingers in these, so I do have a clean tweezer on hand that after every video I do sanitize with this little bottle of alcohol next to me. I feel like I talk about hygiene all the time on my channel and how to use things properly without cross-contaminating, but you guys never get to see it. So I'm going to let you guys see that today. And I'm just going to exfoliate the skin. Now you will notice I have pretty sensitive skin. So my skin, whenever I use a product like this, is going to go a little bit red, which is why I like using things like this on camera, because I'm going to take like 30 seconds and then it's going to instantly calm down and you won't see the redness at all. My skin reacts like that, and the true test, because I have actually used this product before back when I worked at Sephora, the true test to if something is going to give you a hard time is if your skin doesn't bounce back. Notice the redness is already basically gone. That is a great sign that the product is not going to give me a long-term issue. And the next item out of the box requires my base to already be done. So I'm going to hop off camera, throw on my base, and I will be right back to talk through the next item in the box. All right, so next product out of the box. Base is done, browser done, you know the works. The next item out of the box is from Kosas. This is the Cosa Sport Lip Fuel Ultra Hydrating Hyaluronic Lip Balm, delivering advanced lip care powered by active botanicals that transport you into a sport state of mind. Retails for $18. You guys know I am a sucker for a good lip balm, so we're going to try this out. I already think the shape is nice because it's a little bit bigger than your normal lip balm shape. I always do it where I pick up the card and I don't pick up a mirror. It's a little bit minty. Definitely feels very hydrating. I like the packaging. I think I like it. I'll have to see how it feels in a little bit because I will be putting lipstick or something on top of it, but so far so good. The next item I will not be using on camera. I'm going to drop it in an upcoming giveaway because this is also from Kosas. As you guys can see, I do already have blush on because the Kosas Color and Light Palette Powder Blush and Highlighter. This says powder, however, I got the cream version and I do not like cream bronzers or cream blushes. I've used one or two that I like, but typically I don't like them. Ultra Blendable Powder Blush and Highlight. Yeah, on the card it says this should be powder, but this says that it is cream. I'm not even going to open it because if I see the color and I break the seal, it's been contaminated and then I can't give it away to one of you. So I'm going to keep this sealed in the box and I'll drop that in an upcoming giveaway for one of you guys. Retails for $34. And yeah. The next item that we are going to try, though, is from Illuminati Cosmetics. It is the Illuminati and Issa for Isabella Bedoya eyeshadow palette. Now, I'm going to be completely honest. I had no idea who she was. Then I saw there was drama around her. I don't care. I'm not going to talk about her or the brand or any of that. I'm just going to talk about the product. So, this palette retails for $48. Illuminati Cosmetics has collaborated with Isabella Bedoya for an ultra-versatile palette. Create an evening glam look or perfect daytime look, shade range from pastels to brights to neutrals. There's a look for every person. So I'm going to be doing something fall vibed today. So I'm probably going to stay in this like brick or brown area. And I'm going to throw something on. Starting off with the shade Addie. I'm going to use that orange shade as like a transition into my upper crease. I do have lightly hooded eyes, so instead of going flat into the crease, I like to take my color on an angle and go onto the upper side of the socket instead of in the crease. By going a little bit higher, it makes it so that when I look forward, you can actually see the eyeshadow I put down. I know this is a transition shade, so it's not super visible, but you'll see when I go into my darker colors, because of the way I'm putting this on, when I look forward, even though my eyes are more hooded, you'll still be able to see the colors. Next, going into Rosé, I'm going to pat that on the outer third of the eye and into the crease. And once I feel like that's lightly where I want it, I'm going to pick up a significant amount of product and really intensify that color. I get so many comments when I do eyeshadow where people always will leave some form of comment saying, you know, the palette doesn't look pigmented because I dip in very lightly and then build it up from there. So I hear what you're saying, I understand, but give me a chance to build it up before you discount a palette. Although I will say, while building it up, it's pretty, but it didn't go on evenly. I did have to take a little bit of time to get rid of some of that patchiness. But once I did that, it did go on pretty nicely. On a pencil brush, I'm going to take that same shade on the outer portion of the lower lash. And then picking up Addie, that first shade, I'm just going to blend that out towards the inner corner. I'm going to take Rich on my packer brush, and I am going to lightly mist that shade. And I'm going to take that on like a cut crease area without actually cutting the crease. Lightly blend out where those two colors meet. And then with a tiny bit of Trust, the dark brown, I'm just going to lightly deepen the outer V and blend that towards the gold. All right, I'm going to go do this on this eye, put a little liner in the waterline, throw on mascara, throw on a lash, and I'll be right back to go into the last item in the box. All right, so last item out of the box is going to be from Laura Geller. This is the 50 Kisses Locking Liquid Color. No More Air Kisses. Our pure pigment formula stays true with soft, satiny color that stays put from morning peck to midnight smooch. This uniquely curved applicator hugs the lips for precise application. The built-in well deserves the perfect amount of color with each application. Retails for $21. I don't know if I'm going to love the way this looks with the eye. It's a little monochromatic for my taste, but we're going to try it out anyway. I'm going to like that. Okay, so I can tell you right now, I am loving the way this whole thing looks together. I'm getting major fall vibes. I love the lip color, and it's super comfortable. I did have to dip in a tiny bit for a touch more product just to line the inside of my mouth. But other than that, one pull was pretty much enough to do with the whole lip. So just to summarize and tie up the whole box. All in all, this is the premium box, which is a $35 a month box. It is $191 retail dollars. So you're getting $191 worth of product. And I'm going to be honest, when I opened this box, I was a little underwhelmed because I wasn't like instantly floored with things I knew I was going to love. But looking at the way the whole thing kind of comes together, the blush palette from my base box I did use today, but the eye palette with this lip color, just everything looks really good and glowy and dewy, and I'm really a fan. So don't forget to enter the giveaway, make sure you're subscribed, all of that fun stuff. Let me know down below what you are most excited to hopefully get in your box, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!